Hi everyone, my name is Tejas Lotlikar. I'm a student of Goa Business School, Goa University. Today I have come to visit the IIIT-Bangalore campus to visit the various research areas which are present in the campus. So over here I have explored different areas around such as the research center. So over there I saw around the various projects and the staff and the research students were very helpful to guide us through the projects which they are doing an innovative work, so they are helping to contribute to the good of the society. Also, while going, I saw a tray or a bucket to dispose the electronic waste, which is increasing these days day by day, and people just dispose it everywhere. So that is a good initiative.